week we're going to be making a Crossing the River Jordan craft. We've heard the story from Mrs. Mackenzie this morning, so I think I showed you this last week. This is what we are making this week. So this is something that you can make after Sabbath school today, okay? Now some of you, if you're a bit younger, you might need a little bit of help from mum and dad, but I'm going to give you some quick instructions on how to do that today. Okay, so in your envelope, you will find 2 pieces of paper like this, 1 card like this each, and then you'll find 1 piece of coloured card. It could be any of these different colours. There's quite a few different colours there. So I think today I'm going to choose this nice green one. So what the first thing we're going to need to do is to curl our little waves there. So the other things that you will need to do your craft today is a pair of scissors and some colouring and pens or pencils. Okay, so you need to get your little waves, and not on the side with the double-sided sellotape, on the other side. Get your little waves, and with your scissors run the blade like that with your finger, and it will curl up your waves nicely. Oops, doesn't matter if one's missing, okay? I'm sure the waves were not all even when they crossed the River Jordan. So yeah, that's something you might need a little bit of help with. So once you've done that, you can peel off the tape there on the back of your waves, and then stick your waves down one side of the card. Just like that. There we go. We've got some nice waves there. Can you see that? Some nice waves. I'll quickly do the other one so we can pop the other one on the other side. Oh, chop that one as well. That's okay, it does not matter. They're all going to look a little bit different from each other. Okay, and then we'll peel off this side, the sticky tape on that side that's already there, and then we will stick our waves on that side. So now we have our Jordan River all ready to go. So the next thing you'll need to do now is get your colouring pens and pencils out. I've got mine right here. So we are going to colour in our people there that are crossing the Jordan River. So we'll pop some nice colours there. They're all nice and colourful. Actually, I think I'm going to make the arc nice and yellow because I think that was made of gold. So we'll make that one all yellow. You might want to take a little bit more time with the colouring than what I'm taking today, but just so you get the idea. Okay, maybe some blue. Okay, so you can see we've got our people all coloured in. So now we need our scissors again, and we're just going to cut those out. Now you can choose to cut roughly around the edges or really neatly around the edges, that's up to you. I'll cut them out. So there's just 3 pieces of those. Now just remember to cut them with the double-sided sellotape still down the bottom, because we're going to need that bit in a minute to make them stand up. Okay, so don't cut off the double-sided sellotape. We need to cut so that that double-sided sellotape stays on there. And one more. I think this one here is Joshua leading the people there. Okay, so they're all coloured in and cut out now. So what we're going to do is to bend over where the double-sided sellotape is. So bend it up like that. So the double-sided sellotape is like that. And then bend this one up as well. And the other people here, okay? And then we can peel off our double-sided sellotape, and I think the arc went first. Alright, so we'll stick that in our River Jordan, and then we've got Joshua, we'll stick in the River Jordan. Get the tape off, there we go. We've got Joshua there, and then we've got the other people to put there as well. There we go. So there is our people crossing the River Jordan. So this is something you can do once we finish Sabbath school, which we're going to finish shortly. If you didn't get all those instructions, you can go to the YouTube channel or the Facebook page, and this little video clip will be on there. So if you want to press pause as you're making your River Jordan and the people crossing, you can press pause and just get the instructions as you're making it. So hope you have fun with that. But let's see, what do we have coming up next week? Next week we see the city of Jericho is going to fall down. So we are going to make a city of Jericho that can fall down. I'm going to send you everything you need to make the city of Jericho, and we'll make a trumpet. So the things that you need to have ready for next week are, if you've got some toilet rolls, you'll see inside there I've got some toilet rolls. That would be helpful if you could collect some of those, some of the empty ones this week. And some sellotape is the other thing that you're going to need for next week. So have fun, and we'll look forward to seeing you again next week. Bye.